Benefits of taking a learner driver's course. Learner drivers course equip young people with safe driving skills, due to which they develop a sense of independence. You can get more logbook credits when you take professional driving courses. It aims to prepare you for a risky time in your driving life and helps to develop low-risk driving behaviors. It aids in reducing traffic fines. If you are taking a driving course, you may decrease your fine of speeding or other traffic violations. You will receive more favorable insurance rates if you are taking a learner driver's course. Taking a driver's course will help you give you valuable driving experience. It will help you in tracking new driving laws that may vary from state to state. It will give you updates from time to time. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site, www.carlearner.com.